Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. Did you know that you can do foil transfers on dip powder? We are totally loving how unique this look is, and today I'm going to show you how to achieve it. So if you have your own transfer foils, go ahead and grab them and follow along with this tutorial. Let's get started. Okay everybody, so we're gonna get started with this look. I've already prepped my client's nail and I've applied an artificial tip. So now we're gonna start with our first step in our dip powder application. You wanna grab your number 1, Bond, and we're going to apply this to the natural nail plate. So now we're gonna grab our number 2, this is base, and we're gonna start building this nail with natural. For this look, I'm going to be covering the nail with pure white. For our first layer of white, I'm going to apply base, a hairline away from the cuticle, and I'm going to cover the entire nail. Now I'm going to be applying a second layer of base covering the entire nail, and I will be repeating the same process of pouring the dip powder over the base. So when you're doing longer nails with dip powder, you want to make sure that you're pouring the powder over the nail, because if the nail is on the longer side, if you try to dip it into the container, you might hit the bottom and dent the nail. So after applying my white dip powder, I'm going to encapsulate with clear. Okay, so we're done with all our dip powder layers. Now you're gonna grab your number 3, and this is Sil Protect. We're gonna apply this to the entire nail. When applying your Sil Protect, you wanna make sure that you're using enough product to penetrate all the layers of dip powder. Your Sil Protect is your activator. It's going to harden the layers of dip powder. So a good way to check if your nail is dry is to tap the top. And if you hear the click, you're good to go. I'm going to grab my hand file and I'm going to clean up the edges. And then I'm going to grab my e-file and I'm going to clean around the cuticle area. So now that we're done filing and shaping this nail, we are going to eliminate our second layer of Sil Protect, and we are not going to buff this nail. I'm going to go ahead and start right with the art. So you want to grab your foil adhesive, and we're going to make random brush strokes all over the nail. So this is what we're going to be working with today. It's a really pretty multicolored iridescent foil, and I'm going to be pressing on different colors at different parts of the nail. You can purchase transfer foils and foil adhesive at any nail supply store. So when applying this transfer foil, you want to make sure you're not using the colored glossy side, you want to use the back side. To get a really pretty rainbow shatter effect, you're going to repeat this process again. A good way to know if the foil adhesive is dry is when it turns completely clear. Now I'm going to go in with my favorite top coat, and this is KiaraSky's non-wipe top coat, and I'm going to apply this to the entire nail. After applying this, I'm going to have her cure for 60 seconds. Now to finish off this really cool rainbow foil look, I'm going to grab my Nourish oil and I'm going to apply this to the cuticle area of my client's finger and massage it in. And there you have it guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!